With the mention of Gilgit Baltistan, may I now invite the Acting Chief Judge of the Supreme Appellate Court of Gilgit Baltistan, Honorable Mr. Justice Wazir Shakeel Ahmed.
Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Honorable Mr. Justice Umar Ata Bandial, the Chief Justice of Pakistan, all the Honorable Judges of Supreme Court, Honorable Justice Supreme Court Azad Jammu and Kashmir, Honorable Acting Judge Federal Shariat Court, all the Chief Justices of High Courts, Secretary Line, Justice Commission of Pakistan, representative of Attorney General of Pakistan, learned members of District Judiciary and Academia, all learned office bearers, members of Bar Council and Bar Associations, respectable foreign guests on video link, press and electronic media, respectable guests, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. Let me congratulate the Supreme Court of Pakistan and especially the Honorable Chief Justice for organizing the present conference on the eve of 75th year of independence of Pakistan. Much has been said about the subject by my learned brothers before me, and very little is left for me to speak about. Nevertheless, I shall try to make my talk carry some new aspect of the issue. Every individual, organization, organ, and at the top, every nation must review the action, tasks, accomplishments, performance, successes, failures, and the like periodically, being a core element of improvement in every aspect. This conference is, in fact, its core theme goes administration of justice, reflecting on the past and looking towards the future, is nothing but to review the overall performance of the institution responsible for administration of justice in the past 75 years. There could be no better occasion for such exercise than the completion of 75 years of independence. Sir, due to the paucity of time, Maghrib ka time bhi hone wala hai, so I shall put forward some words regarding the role of judiciary of Gilgit Baltistan. और मैं इनके साथ मेरा मुआहदा हुआ है, तो मैं मगरिब की वजह से वो जनाब की इजाज़त से अपनी तकरीर को जो है वो मोस्ट ऑफ द जो पार्ट जो है वो आई गोइंग टू स्किप. I, being head of the judiciary of Gilgit Baltistan, would like to bring the dismal situation of judiciary in Gilgit in the context of today's mood and its core theme. The constitutional history of GB since 1948 is no secret. There is still no constitution, no fundamental rights under constitutional guarantee, nor independent judiciary. As I highlighted above, supremacy of constitution and rule of law is dependent on independent judiciary. Without going into the detail, suffice it to say that Chief Judge of Gilgit Baltistan and judges of the Apex Court in GB are appointed for 3 years, like contract appointment, without any pension and other pensionary benefits. The appointments in the Chief Court and Supreme Appellate Court are pure prerogative of executive, due to which posts of Chief Judge and judges are not filled for years and years, and ad hocism is the rule. Senior judges in the Supreme Appellate Court is not appointed as Chief Judge, and direct appointment of Chief Judge is made for 3 years without pension, which is contrary to the independence of judiciary, valid expectancy, and constitution. When a judge of a chief is elevated to Supreme Court, he is retired after 3 years without even reaching 62 years, which is his age of superannuation in Chief Court and without pension of Supreme Appellate Court. At present, only Acting Chief Judge GB is the only judge in Supreme Court जो आखिर खुद है, due to which cases are being delayed for years and years. The matter came up before the Supreme Court of Pakistan at least twice, and authoritative judgments are also passed to ensure independent judiciary, including appointments, but those judgments could not be implemented so far. To the extent of GB, I can say that no significant role can be played by the judiciary of GB in the rule of law or supremacy of constitution till an independent judiciary is made in place in GB. Now, at last, I have some recommendations pertaining to the GB specific. Number one is a mechanism be devised to fill all vacant posts in superior judiciary of GB in time with less involvement of executive. Appointments in superior judiciary of GB should be for same tenure as that of superior judiciary in Pakistan. The superior judiciary in GB should be given a pension and pensionary benefits at par with the superior judiciary of Pakistan. Principles of seniority should be adhered to while appointing chief judge and judges of Supreme Appellate Court. तो यही मेरी गुजारिशात थी सर. I thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.